time, shift focus to another round of breaking update. What we are learning that the Mumbai terror attack accused Tahabur Rana, Canadian of Pakistani origin, has now moved the US Supreme Court to challenge his extradition to India. Having lost his legal battle in the lower and the appellate courts, Tahabur Rana argues that India's charges for his alleged role in 2008 Mumbai terror attacks replicate those who are tried and acquitted in US court. The petition is his final attempt to avoid extradition, which could actually lead to a trial and possible death penalty in India. With those developments that are now coming to line, as far as there is extradition, that could mean a death penalty possibly for Tahabur Rana, as he has now moved the US court, Rishabh, and that seems to be his last plea that he could take up against his extradition to India.
Well, definitely, if we talk about Tahabur Rana has been trying to ensure that the extradition to India does not take place, and that's the reason that he has knocked almost on all the legal doors that he could in past few years. But having lost all his battles in lower courts, and earlier this year when all the courts decided that he should be extradited to India and there is no legal hurdle in his extradition to India, now he has knocked the doors of Supreme Court, saying that he has been charged under the circumstances or the evidence that has not been upheld by the courts in different accused cases, and hence his extradition should not take place. India, on the other hand, is very clear that he is a terrorist. He is accused of killing more than 100 people in Mumbai in 2008 attack, and India needs to try him under the laws of Indian Constitution, and hence extradition becomes inevitable. This will be his last bet to avoid extradition. If Supreme Court upholds what the lower courts have said, it will be just a matter of time when Tahabur Rana will be sent to India.
Because in a long legal battle, this is his last legal chance not to be extradited to India. Remains to be seen what happens as he is now approached the top court of the United States.